Hello everyone, so now we have Pioneer KE-1080. It's from late 1980s and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. We kept all original looks, and so at first I'm gonna test the cassette player, radio itself, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. When the cassette is in, the screen has to switch off. Okay, let's try forward. Now backwards. Now the auto stop function to keep the cassette inside but play the radio. Okay, now we're back to cassette. Works just fine. Okay, let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are okay. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to switch from the FM mode to middle waves, which we don't use any longer. So simply press the band button a couple times. Okay, watch the screen. Now, M means Bluetooth is on. Now you go to your cell phone, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, wait a couple seconds. Here it is. That's it. Now the Bluetooth is connected. You can go to YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? Let's change the song. And it's very simple to use. When you want to back to your normal radio, FM mode, okay, simply press the band button and now you're back to your regular radio. Okay? Thumbs up, guys.